Friday night, leaving now. Liquor up, it's going down. Back on Blackbeat like Chappelle, revving up, raising hell. Pick a spot just for two. Baby, I can't stop looking at you. I wanna know what's on your mind. Rest our time in the backseat of my car. Yeah, you know what I've been thinking.
Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a test drive in a 1965 Pontiac Lemans dressed up as a GTO. This one here has the 3-carb setup. Believed to be 389. We're going to take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. This one here has drum brakes all the way around. Sorry about that. Dual exhaust in the back. And we're going to drop the top, have a little fun with it. We're also going to do a walk around video, point out any kind of chips, scratches, rust, anything I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. So go on over to maplemotors.com, look at those 100 detailed pictures, the finance options, the shipping options, and also all of our inventory. We just put something on our website that I want you to check out. It's an About Me section and a frequently asked questions. It's about that time, guys. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior, kind of check everything out. This one does have a 4-speed in it. The dash in this one looks great. It's in great shape there. We'll go ahead and start her up. Then place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Let's try it out. You ready? It works. It's a little cold right now. We're gonna let her warm up a little bit. Before we take off here, we'll check some more stuff. Radio's cutting on. Blower motor is cutting on, blowing on my legs right now. I can show you the mileage. It's hard to stand behind that since this is a 65 model. I guess our RPMs or our tach's coming up on this one. Wipers work. Okay. Should we take the top down? I assume so. And our top switch, probably here now. Coming down pretty good. Good deal. All right, guys, let's hit the road. Here we go, guys, getting ready to take off. Anything I see, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. Clutch is letting out mid to top. Still pulling pretty good. No power steering on this one. Gotta wait on the traffic again. That's what happens when it gets close to closing time. Everybody wants to go home. They come right through Hendersonville here. Here we go. Speedometer's coming up. Seems to be shifting pretty good. The steering's nice and tight, and it's going straight as an arrow down the road. Engine temperature's up. Whoa! When those carbs kick in, it does. It pulls. The seat's got a lot of spring in it too. I can feel my body bouncing around on it. Gas gauge is up on this one, close to half a tank, floating around. Manifold vacuum. Economy and power. That's pretty cool. Get on these back roads over here. Brakes feel great on this one. Stopping pretty fast. I think I was singing loud and proud over there. Feels good. I like that. That's fun. We're gonna pull up in this parking lot here. I'm gonna get some outside shots. I'm gonna drive over the camera, put a light up under the undercarriage. I'm also gonna do a walk around video over here. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna pull right in here. As soon as I get off this video, we're gonna walk around this car and look for any kind of flaws. Be sure to check that one out. It'll be separate from this one. Both videos are about 15 minutes long. All right, let's get these shots. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this up so I'm not worried about paperwork flying everywhere. That right there gave you a little bit of information on some stuff that was done to the car. You can look at those detailed pictures and see that in the detailed pictures as well. So brake release does work on this car. We're gonna take off here. Make sure everything's straight. Oh, we got lucky. The road is open and ready for us. Hopefully that sun's not too bright. I'm sure it is. I got lucky with the weather today. Suspension on this car is nice and smooth. This is another 7 or 8 out of 10. It's just perfect. Driving down the road, hitting bumps, you don't hardly feel them. You feel like you're in a boat. These big long cars. Had a Pontiac convertible I drove earlier. It was just like this. Nice and smooth. Definitely helps get the sun out of your face. Good deal. All right, guys, there's no telling how long this light is gonna be, so I hope y'all enjoyed this test drive video. Be sure to look at the walk around. I did it over there as well. Y'all have a good one, guys.